Sounds worse when it's cold. I think what's maybe happening is the manifold swells up and seals itself a little. But definitely once it's warmed up it does not sound as loud as that. Quality stuff. So we've did all those brakes. Did the ABS sensor, no lights on, so happy days at the moment. Check my brake reading. Not bad, could maybe do another one to be honest, but it's not going anywhere at the minute. So wee polo, it's got a wee exhaust blow. I've already did the rear silencer on it, which was sheared off. But you can see there, cleaned it up, you can see there's a crack on it, and that is where it was blown. There is another crack on it, but so you can see there on the cover, you can see where it's all been blown. So that's where that's been coming out of. What we can also see on the back, there's another one developed down there, which I don't think actually blown yet, there's no soot there. But we'll try and run a bead of weld down it. And so yeah, so round there as well, it's all split. So we'll see, we'll attempt to repair it. We will attempt to repair it. And we'll see where it goes. But now, a few bits of welding. Mind your eyes. So the butter maker's out. The butter maker's out. Got a lovely snap-on bit here. So you can see what we've did. I'm not a welder. We've did some nice beads there. It is cracked round there. It's blown a hole, man. Blown a hole in it. So I had to fill that bit in. So well, we don't know what's going to happen when we put it back. So I'm just trying to see. So you can see there. It's not too bad. Maybe a tiny wee blow off it, but that's a wee miss by it as well sometimes. Yeah, so off to a big smoke. Yeah. Okay. Quality. That's how these bloody exhausts, man, nowadays. Right there. I'll try and move the clamp and tighten it again, see. But aye, it's about as good as we're going to get, I think. A wee blow there. A wee blow there, so I'm going to try and put another clamp on there and see it actually. See where the soot's coming out. So, but, manifold. All welded up. You can actually see some of them. You can see that bead of welder around in it. Focus. There's one on there. Another one's a run out of. So aye, cool. Okie doke. Quite pleased with that. We'll get it all cleaned up underneath. I think tomorrow we'll put it down for a wash, put it down for a valet tomorrow. So we'll get it valeted and then we will restore the headlamps on it. So I will attempt to restore the headlamps on it and see if we can get a better image out of the headlamps. That's really the last item on it now. That's that bearing all pressed out. You can see all the rot in there. We'll get Mr. Makita. Get Mr. Makita into him. We'll get that good all cleaned up, man. I put a new bearing in there. we'll give it all a good clean up. Mr. McKee will do his business. So, new wheel bearing on the wee Polo. I need to put the circlip in here now. See, I've filed all that as well, and I will give this a clean up as well with the wire brush after I put it on. That's got to go into your flange. 3 little screws, take that off. I did pre-soak it, and I did get in with the wire brush just to clean all of that up. So we'll put our circlip in, we'll bolt that back onto there, we'll press that back on. Obviously put our circlip on first, we must remember to do that. Got a lovely snap-on circlip pliers. We'll use the automatic tire machine as a bench. Lovely stuff. New flash, there you go, a wee bit of flash. So you can see those screws in there. 1, 2, 3. Hold that ring on, that reluctant ring. I'll soak them overnight, and I'll give them a good wire brush with the Mr. Makita. You can see what's happened to this. You can see what's happened to that there. It's just got rotten, so it's pretty rough. So we've already did the rear silencer. We've did the new mount. This other one's all rough as toast. Really rough, and you can see it's all the rubber starting to break up on it. So yeah, they're right enough on that. It's a good spot. So it's starting to separate. So a good spot with the MOT tester again. So I've did the wheel bearing on this side, the new bearing in there, got all that back on. Have managed to clear one of the faults out the ABS, but it does have a fault with, I think, the one that's been given as jip for a while, to be honest with you. It's the near side rear. So I managed to get one of them to clear. So I think we're going to need to get a sensor for it as well. We still need to take the manifold off this little car as well. So it does have a crack in it. We're not sure yet what we're doing there yet, but so you can see all the rot, all the crustaceans. Just Scotland, guys. That's what happens. That's what happens in Scotland. And with big snap-on circlip pliers, we did manage to get some of this one out, and then you can see it's all bent, so we end up with the hammer and chisel again. So now that the circlip's out, we can get this bearing pressed out and get a new one in there. So that's what we'll do now. Back to the press. Back to the press. There we go. Happy days. Right, roll grips to take it off. Just nothing was getting it, so I welded the nut on there. We'll buff that down. So, wee Polo-matic. Oh, it's in park. It's got a new wheel bearing in there. So that's a new bearing in there. Also, I've shown you that. New bearing in there as well. Not that side actually. That side up there, you can see the shininess. New mountain bearing. So, all that's really left, that's all lube. I've lubed all that. Yeah, I can actually see the crack right in it. Right up in there. Right up in there, you can see that crack. So I'll now try and see if I can weld that or something. I've had to spend a wee bit more money in the back, so obviously we knew with the back box to do that. Just broke off anyway, so that was knackered. Did 2 new brake pipes, hopefully that's just excess. I'll just double check that pipe actually. I was just bleeding them. So we've did an ABS sensor. Here's the wheel cylinder. That failed. That was C-solid, that wheel cylinder, so that's probably why it was advised on the rear brakes being noisy. It's tight, but yeah, that'll be nippy anyway. case. So you can see I've done the exhaust, new ABS sensor in there. This one was showing a fault. I'm going to leave it at the minute, but because this wheel cylinder was leaking as well. Oh, what's happened there? Oh, it's just stuck a bit. So this wheel cylinder was leaking as well. So I've cleaned it all up, replaced the wheel cylinder both sides, and again a new pipe on this side as well. So a new pipe. You can see the two new cylinders there in the back. So let's see what happens to that one. And just do seesaw. So can't recover that. So really all we've got left to do on it is load the bulbs, fix the headlamps. Headlamps not really gain as much image out it. I don't know what happens to them. It's the same as the Audi TT we did. So we've already done a wee video. We'll do a better video on this one. For how to fix those headlamps. So and we'll get that a good wash. Get it back for test again.